The most important topic for 2024 for the PT, the impact of technology on society. These are the only topics, and if you need to go for proper sample answers, then you can join our WhatsApp group from the description. And these are the important topics you have to practice while keeping these topics in mind, and you can take help first. You can read first sample answer, and then after that you can practice for the writing of these topics. Environment, the benefits and drawbacks of globalization, the impact of social media on communication and relationships, the effect of economic inequality on society, the importance of cultural diversity in the modern world, the effects of urbanization on quality of life. You will find all the topics are related to our social life. Whatever we are facing in our daily routine, in daily life, these type of topics they are asking in the exam. Why they are asking these type of topics? Because when we are abroad, you are in the native country, then you are supposed these type of issues there. The effects of political polarization on democracy, the impact of the sharing economy on traditional business, the effects of automation on employment, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on mental health and well-being, the impact of virtual reality on education and training. You can see all topics are related to our daily life. The effect of e-commerce on brick and mortar retail. The role of artificial intelligence in healthcare, the impact of self-driving cars on transportation and society, the effects of social media on political discourse, the impact of the gig economy on job security and income inequality. You can use one template and then you can add every topic in that. Just practice with the proper template. You can get template also, join our WhatsApp group, and then you can ask for the template. Our team member, they will share with you the template, and then you can go for proper preparation for your PT exam. You can see these topics are very important, and these topics will help you to prepare for PT exam properly. Video games are very important. Effects of social media on politics and democracy, the role of renewable energy in addressing climate change, the impact of internet on education and training, the effects of e-commerce on traditional brick and mortar retail, the impact of sharing economy, the impact of the internet on community and social interaction, the effects of online education on student engagement and learning outcomes, the impact of online platform on politics and discourse democracy. Just prepare these topics. They will be very helpful for you to prepare well for the exam. But beside the guesswork and the topics, practice is more important. Never miss the practice. Practice makes a man perfect, so try your best and work hard. I hope so. You will enjoy this work, you will enjoy the learning, and you will take help to improve your score. Best of luck.